We use this table to collect uniform order information. We will add the uniform items and their unit prices. To add rows to a table, click the table icon on the top left cell, and click the Add Row button on the table's toolbar 5 times. The columns sequence starts from the letter A and the rows sequence starts from number 1. So, cell A1 is at the column and row number 1. Click cell A1 and enter jumper. Press the down arrow key to go to cell A2, and enter shirt. Let's do this for the other uniform items. The last row contains the total in the last column. So, we need to change the last row of the select column from a checkbox to a read-only and empty text. We also need to make the last row of quantity column read-only. Click cell B5. Click the Change Data Type button on the cell's toolbar and choose the text data type. Click Make Cell Read-Only button. Click cell C5. Click Make Cell Read-Only button on the cell's toolbar. Now, we need to enter the unit price of each uniform item. Click D1 and enter 100. Press down arrow key to go to cell D2. Enter 40. We repeat the steps for the other items. When we are at cell D5, click the Change Data Type button on the cell's toolbar, and choose the text data type. Enter total.